My mom is an amazing baker and she's finally passing down her contest-winning cookies to me, Pistachio Thumbprints. These cookies have been in my family for a long time and we make sure to eat them every Christmas. I'm excited to share this special recipe with you because I know that my Christmases wouldn't be the same without these delicious cookies. First, gather these ingredients: 1 cup of softened butter, a 1/3 cup of powdered sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla and almond extract, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 package of instant pistachio pudding mix, and finally a 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chips. In a stand mixer, beat together your butter and powdered sugar until the mixture is smooth and fluffy. Add in the egg and both of the extracts. Once all that's combined, dump in your pistachio pudding mix and watch the dough turn green. After a few minutes, you can slowly start adding in the flour. Mix until the dough is thick. Stir in your mini chocolate chips, and now your dough is complete. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. While the oven heats up, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Use a cookie scoop to make walnut-sized balls about 1 inch and place them all on the cookie sheet. To make the thumbprints, use your thumb to put an indent in the center of the cookie dough ball. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. Transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. The next step to these cookies is the creamy filling. Add 2 tablespoons of softened butter, 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk into a bowl. Use a mixer to beat together all of these ingredients until they reach a toothpaste consistency. Make sure your cookies are completely cooled before spooning the filling into each cookie's thumbprint. The final step to making pistachio thumbprints is the yummy chocolate drizzle. Melt a 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips in a microwave. Use the plastic bag technique by pouring melted chocolate into a Ziploc bag and then snip a little bit of one corner off. Drizzle the chocolate all over the cookies. Let everything set, and now you're done! I hope you enjoyed making these prize-winning pistachio thumbprints as much as my mom does. They're not only great for cookie contests, they're also a great way to bring your family together. I hope you enjoy!